Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to understand how to extract a war file from our existing project. So let's get started. Now our existing project is a maven project, so the process is little different when compared to dynamic web projects. First of all, right click, navigate to run, and first of all clean the project. Now what does this step do? This will scan the existing project and this will clean up any extra files which is there inside this target folder. So that's one thing. Then moving forward, right click, navigate to run as, and click on this option which says maven install. Now this will try to create a war file based on the packaging option you have chosen. Now there could be like multiple issues when you will try to build your application. First of all, the build is failure, and we will see how we can fix the issue. First of all, let me also show you one small little thing. If we open up pom.xml file and if we check the overview, the packaging is war, right? So our build, our install will create a war file. And let me also show you the pom.xml file. Here is the packaging option which is set as a war. Alright, let me close this. Again, in our last attempt to create a war file, it failed, right? Let me show you the console. Here we go. So if we check the first error, it will say no compiler is provided in this environment. Perhaps you are running on JRE rather than JDK. Now in order to fix this issue, I will right click, navigate to build path and configure the build path. Let me expand this and we can see that we are making use of JRE. In order to fix this, first of all remove this one and then navigate to add library. Click on JRE system library and click on this option alternate JRE. Alright, and click on install JREs. Now in here, if you are not getting this option of JDK, let me remove this real quick. Then click on add and click on a standard VM, click on next, and now we need to search for the JDK directory which you can find inside your program files. Then it would be inside Java folder, then JDK. Now the path of your JDK will vary operating system to operating system. Now based on your operating system, choose the appropriate location. Select the folder of JDK. It will give you the list of all the Java files which are available inside this JDK folder and click on finish. Now instead of selecting this particular option, select JDK option and click on apply and close. And now inside this drop down you would be able to see this JDK option. Now select this JDK option and click on finish. And now it will start showing up JRE system library JDK 1.8, which is cool enough. The current version which I am using is 1.8. In your case, the version may vary. Let me apply the changes, and now this time way around, if I again right click and try to create a war file, then it might work. Now maven uses multiple steps, and there could be scenarios where again there would be couple of issues and you need to debug the issues, and you can definitely take help of internet. Alright, and here is our maven creating our war file, and in fact building the war file, everything seems to be okay enough. There is no error. I am not able to see any error. Failures, errors, skipped is nothing. Amazing, build success. And now if we navigate to target, we are able to see a couple of more things. Let me refresh this particular project real quick. Here we go. And now we are able to see a couple of more files, right? And one of the file is this file, which is nothing but your war file. And by taking help of this war file, you can deploy it on any other web server again. Let me show you the exact location. I can navigate to property, and here is the location. Alright, so here is our workspace, and if I show you the target folder, here is the war file. And this war file contains all the jars which we will require to execute our application. Alright, so this is good, this is nice how easily we are able to build a war file out of our project. Alright, so that's it for today. And do check my YouTube channel by the name of studyeasy.org. On my YouTube channel, there is a video which demonstrate how to deploy a war file on Tomcat. So that video can further help you to understand the deployment process of a war file. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.